Hi everyone, so my name is Kelvin Hughes. I'm Head of UK Engineering and TRG in Belgium. So I'm been asked to speak to you about TRG specifically because UK Engineering is split into two parts really, which is Technical Resources Group, TRG, and Event Services. So I want to talk to you about the Technical Resources Group. So it's a part of the business that we've had for a long time. It's about 12 years since we created Technical Resources Group. It's the engineering function in the company. And we provide all the technical resources that our engineers, technicians for our site-based contracts and our mobile engineers and our maintenance, resource on demand and all of those kinds of things. So that's kind of the basic function of what we do. We are part of Group Professional Services, so that's all run by Andy Moffat. And we are part of a kind of wider technical resources group that exists in, as I said earlier, Belgium, France and Germany. We have a number of different technical roles within TRG. They start at the apprenticeship level. So a few years ago we introduced an apprenticeship programme and really proud of that. We've been very successful in that and done a really good job. And then that goes up, work its way up through the ranks, so customer engineer and senior customer engineer, system engineer and senior system engineer. Over the last few years, the kind of system engineer, senior system engineer role is slightly less. We don't have quite the same demand for that for a number of different changes that have gone on in the marketplace. So the big focus of what we do really is around the kind of customer engineer and senior custom engineer role. And the primary function of the engineer really is, as I said earlier on, is to deliver these kind of technical engineering services for our customers. But things are changing. So one of the things that that's really changing is the introduction of tech bars. Now I've mentioned this before. There's another video that I did a wee while ago for Chris Webb where I talked about tech bars. And they are a big thing. And I've been going around the country visiting various tech bars. And it's a very different experience. It's a very different kind of engineer skill set that you need. It's a very front of house type skill set, and of the sites that I've seen so far, I've been really impressed with the people that are running those desks. It's really encouraging to see that, given the way that people have not had to do this before, and they're really adapting. So, you know, the kind of remit of the engineer role isn't just technical. In fact, I would argue actually that the bigger part of the job is the customer interaction part of that, because the technical skill side of it is something that that people can learn, but the customer interaction side of it is where it can be more challenging, because the engineers are representing Computacenter, the face of the company, and we do a great job. So the feedback that we get is terrific, and the kind of customer satisfaction scores that we receive are terrific. So that's where the real skill set is, I think, is pleasing our customers every day, reacting to their needs, reacting to their demands, and just delivering an absolutely incredible service.